My masterpiece is complete, nobody's listening. Frenemies flip on me with the tedious tendencies. End doesn't meet the ends meet they need from me. So my back's breaking, I'm scratch making so endlessly. I'm expensively living free. Freedom of speech can put your head in a guillotine. I got the kind of blues nobody will ever see. What's the remedy? Quit the sob stories, you're killing me. Too many to even speak of the battles. The deeper it travels, the weak will unravel. Leading the cattle to slaughter and babble. From the teleprompter telling you to tell them don't matter. Wallets get fatter, confuse the mass. And at minimal, these criminals are smooth as jazz. Refuse the glass of booze and pass on the numbness and dumbness used to distract. Move too fast can bruise your past. That's why I'm cruising past the foolish acts. Them consequences is no joke. Till you're so broke, you're feeling broken with no hope. Unfold those pages and let your soul grow. Hold and don't close, moments like these you don't know. Most folks have sold souls for low dough. The show goes on when they're gone, when them folks go to the flames like crack cocaine or coke nose. Dope fiends live in their own bubbles like snow globes. Explode flows over sick beats, unknown roads that your own closed with the dead end and no homes. Pits of fire that's hotter than holes in ozones. Meanwhile federal authorities tapping home phones. Relax, there's no close, the facts are cold ghosts. Wrote what's sad most to the jazz of saxophone notes. No time, none left. As I paint pictures to the beats that they sketch. Never mind all the stress. As I paint pictures to the beats that they sketch. No time for the rest. As I paint pictures to the beats that they sketch. Rhythm and rhyme within a breath. As I paint pictures to the beats that they sketch.
I'm in a somber state, don't wanna conversate. At a loss for words, let me contemplate. It's getting awfully late, and I'm half awake, practically unconscious, waiting for dawn to break. So many hard mistakes, let it all erase. I picture the wrongs in my mind, but I'm drawing blank. Restarting is an art that I often hate. I'm critical and harsh of the thoughts I want to paint. It feels all the same, then I see the stars lit like candles.